Welcome to our channel. If you're locked out of your Ring app due to multiple failed login attempts, follow these instructions to regain access to your account. Step 1. Wait for the lockout period to expire. Ring typically locks accounts for 15 to 30 minutes after several incorrect password attempts for security purposes. Step 2. If you can't wait, open the Ring app and tap on Forgot Password on the login screen. Step 3. Enter the email address associated with your Ring account and tap Send Reset Email. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Ring. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Step 5. Click on the password reset link in the email. This will open a browser window or the Ring app. Step 6. Create a new password that is strong and unique. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 7. Confirm your new password and save the changes. Step 8. Return to the Ring app and log in using your email address and the new password you just created. Step 9. If you continue to experience login issues, clear the app cache by going to your device settings, finding the Ring app, and selecting Clear Cache. Step 10. Contact Ring support if the problem persists after trying all these steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel